Hey guys, welcome back to another auto body tech video. Today we have this 2016 Honda Civic that's been in a rear end collision. The trunk lid is totally destroyed and can't shut anymore. The rear body panel also looks like it's been pushed in. Let's start tearing this one down so that we could see all the damage. The rear body panel is definitely not repairable, and the rebar was hit so hard it actually made contact with the body panel, causing more damage. The rebar was split right down the middle on the backside. It doesn't help that it was super rusty. Let's replace the trunk, then start pulling out the damage. The reason I'm pulling out the damage before replacing the rear body panel is so that I can get everything that the body panel is attached to back into spec. Only then I can start replacing damaged parts. I've managed to pull out the rear end to the point where the new trunk makes a full seal around the trunk opening and that the taillights fit nicely. Now that the taillight pockets are back in spec, I can start removing the rear body panel. Unfortunately, the new body panel doesn't come with these wing extensions, so we've ordered new ones. The only thing is, I'll have to remove 2 spot welds on each side to get them to fit underneath. It will be much easier to do it now than after the rear body panel is installed. Now to prepare the panel for spot welding. I'm just loosely fitting in these wing extensions. Then I'll fit the rear body panel and weld these in at the end. I've test fitted all the parts and everything is fitting nicely, so I'll remove the parts and start welding. All finished with the repairs. Thanks for watching.